Namaskar. Welcome to Vidya Retreat. Welcome to the second part of Panchkarma tutorial course. In this part, I will be talking to you about cleansing process. As I told you, Panchkarma is basically about cleansing. The 5 actions what we do in Panchkarma aim at cleansing the mind, body and the soul. So, what is cleansing? Why do we need it? Nowadays, not only nowadays, like even the food we eat, the air we breathe, the water we drink, anything we intake that causes some toxicity in our body. I said nowadays because nowadays the environment is far more polluted than the time when this Panchkarma therapies, when the Ayurveda was discovered. Right now it's far more polluted. Everybody knows about it. So Panchkarma is the need of the time. This is the time when we need Panchkarma most. Because if you want the intensive cleaning of your body by using the body's own metabolism, then it's better to go for Panchkarma or the naturopathy processes or the supervised fasting. Normally our liver processes all these toxins, but with the time and after a certain amount of toxins, our liver becomes overburdened with these toxins, and it won't be able to eliminate all these toxins from our body. So that's why we need Panchkarma, because otherwise our body, it's the most sophisticated machine on this earth. It can eliminate itself all these toxins and everything, but when it gets overburdened, so it causes like doshas. So to prevent our body from these diseases, from the doshas, we need this cleansing process, the thorough cleansing process. We need to change our lifestyle, our diet habits, but to optimize the results, we also need these Panchkarma therapies, these techniques to cleanse our body. Initially, when somebody start doing Panchkarma, these cleansing processes, sometimes the situation because of cleansing might get worse, like patient might feel very uncomfortable. So if you are a new Panchkarma therapist, you are not so experienced, so it's better to take the help of a Ayurveda doctor, a physician, to do it under the supervision of your Ayurveda consultant, like, because sometimes body might get worse condition. So supervision is also advised. Not all the time it's gonna happen that the patient will become like go in the very worst condition. Furthermore, these Panchkarma processes, they are very individualized programs. So it is very important to be in constant touch of the individual, of your client, the patient, and to cater all the individual needs. So this was all about the cleansing process. In my next Panchkarma tutorial, I will be coming with the purpose of Panchkarma. So stay tuned. Don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you.